Hello there. So let's talk about the package of React Word Cloud. So let's head over to the package documentation, Word Cloud. So you may have gone through some images of words like the fancy ones, so and how they are created on the websites. So that's a very simple package to create these things. Just quickly install the package in your React app. Let me create a. And in the example, as the package is very much easy to use, you can import a package here. What you're gonna need is like if I have this array and I have to display these words like told, mistake, thought, and upon hovering, I can show the values of these text. I can do that. Let me just add this array here, and simply I have to. I think we are done here. Let's see if we got any errors or not. Compile successfully. Yep, you can see that. So we have no styling and small little less amount of words. That's why we are having that weird image of the words, but that's the whole implementation of this package. So this package comes with the props too in case you wanna like alter anything in that image. You can also do that. Here are code examples of these callbacks and no props. Let's see. That's a very basic one, and that's what you will get. You can see that the word file is way more than what we created, and we are getting that thing. And upon hovering, we are getting the word as well as its value. So that's the whole point of creating that direct word cloud. And thank you.